Are you ready to bring the joy of fresh, delicious produce right into your home? Today, we're diving into the incredibly rewarding world of windowsill salad gardening. It's perfect for beginners and truly transforms your cooking. Growing your own food is incredibly satisfying, and it doesn't get much easier or more accessible than this. Imagine picking crisp lettuce or spicy arugula just moments before it lands on your plate. Get ready to ditch those expensive, pre-packaged greens. There are so many fantastic reasons to start your own indoor salad garden. First, it's all about convenience. No matter the weather outside, your fresh greens are always just steps away, ready for harvest. Secondly, the freshness is unmatched. Greens picked minutes before eating retain their nutrients and flavor far better than store-bought options. You'll taste the difference, guaranteed. It's also incredibly cost-effective. A single pack of seeds can yield multiple harvests for pennies on the dollar compared to buying bagged salads. Plus, you control what goes into your food, ensuring it's organic and pesticide-free. Selecting the right seeds is key to a thriving windowsill garden. Look for varieties known for quick growth and compact size. Loose-leaf lettuces, spinach, arugula, and radishes are fantastic choices. Mesclun mixes are another excellent option, offering a variety of flavors and textures in one go. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley also flourish beautifully in sunny windows. Start with just one or two types to get comfortable. You won't need much to get started, which is part of the appeal. First, choose appropriate containers. These can be shallow pots, recycled plastic containers, or even old takeout boxes, as long as they have drainage holes. Drainage is absolutely crucial to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Next, you'll need good quality potting mix. Avoid garden soil, as it can compact and introduce pests indoors. Finally, you'll need your chosen seeds and a small watering can or spray bottle. That's really all it takes to begin your gardening adventure. Now, for the fun part, planting. Fill your containers with potting mix, leaving about an inch of space from the rim. Lightly moisten the soil before sowing your seeds. For most salad greens, sprinkle the seeds thinly over the soil surface. You don't want them too crowded, or they'll compete for resources. Cover them with a very thin layer of potting mix, about a 1/4 inch deep. Gently mist the surface with water. Label your containers so you remember what you've planted. This simple step saves confusion later. Light is the single most important factor for a successful windowsill garden. Your plants need at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. A south-facing window is usually ideal for maximum light exposure. If you don't have enough natural light, consider supplementing with a small grow light. Even an inexpensive LED light can make a huge difference in your plant's growth and health. Remember to rotate your containers every few days. This ensures all sides of the plants get adequate light, promoting even growth. Consistent watering is vital for young seedlings and mature plants. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry up to your first knuckle, it's time to water. Overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering. Use a watering can with a fine spout or a spray bottle to avoid disturbing delicate seedlings. As your plants grow, you might consider a weak, balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. Follow the package directions carefully. This provides essential nutrients for lush, vibrant growth. One of the most exciting moments is your first harvest. Most salad greens are ready for their initial trim in just 3 to 4 weeks. Don't pull out the entire plant. Instead, use the cut-and-come-again method. Simply snip the outer leaves, leaving the inner leaves to continue growing. This encourages continuous production, giving you fresh salads for weeks from a single planting. Harvest what you need, when you need it. Even experienced gardeners encounter challenges, and that's perfectly normal. If your plants look leggy or stretched, they're likely not getting enough light. Move them to a sunnier spot or add a grow light. Pests can sometimes sneak indoors, too. Look for small insects or chewed leaves. A gentle spray of insecticidal soap or neem oil can often resolve these issues quickly and safely. Stay observant and address problems early. Your plants will thank you for it. Congratulations, you're now a proud owner of a flourishing windowsill salad garden. The possibilities for enjoying your harvest are endless. Toss your fresh greens into vibrant salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Experiment with different dressings and ingredients. The flavor and satisfaction of eating food you grew yourself are truly unparalleled. This isn't just about gardening, it's about connecting with your food and embracing a healthier lifestyle. Keep experimenting with new seeds and enjoy the process. Happy gardening, everyone!